Welcome back, Jebel. In this tutorial, I'm going to make a slide for my slide, I suppose. I've got my steps. I'm going to add the part that you slide down. Okay, so I'm going over to the shapes section here, and I'm going to use this tool here, the round roof. So I'm going to drag that here onto my work plane, and I'm going to make it a bit longer, like that. So remember, you drag these squares that are called handles, and as you can see it's actually facing the wrong way. I want it to face this way, and now I'm going to show you how to use the rotate tool. Now the rotate tool is here. You've got several of these arrows. Now I want to use this one, and you can see it's going to rotate around like that. So what you do is you click and you hold and you drag and you move your mouse around this dial and it will rotate. And if you go to 90, can you see the number 90 or minus 90? That moves it a quarter of a turn, or 90 degrees. So there is my slide. Now, at the moment, it's upside down. So I need to rotate it so the flat side is facing upwards. So I'm going to do that using this rotation handle here. So like you did before, like I did before, I'm going to click on there and rotate. But this time, I want it to go half of a rotation. So I go all the way down to the bottom until it gets to 180. There you go, and I let go. And there you see that it has the flat side facing up. Next, what I'm going to do is I want to hollow out this section here. So it's hollow going through. So there's a little trick that you can do here. So I'm going to click on my first shape and then go to the copy tool and paste, and you'll see you get an identical shape next to it. Now the new shape, I'm going to make it transparent. So I'm going to click here where it says whole. There you see, so I've got a solid shape and a transparent shape. I move the transparent part back on the first shape, the solid shape, and then all I'm going to do here is just lift my transparent shape upwards. So there you go. So I lift it up just a little bit, and you can see that it's just above the first, and I'm just going to move that across so it fits perfectly. Okay, and now this is the little trick you need to do. Oh, it's not exact. I'm just going to move that like that. That's better. Okay, and now I'm going to lasso both of my shapes. All you need to do is a very small lasso. So lasso, remember, is the red dotted line, so I'm going to click, hold and drag just so I come in contact with both. I let go and they are now joined together. And now I go to the tool here, which is the group tool. I click and you'll see that my shape is now being hollowed. And now at the moment it's on the floor, so what I want it to do is go in this direction. So again, I'm going to use the rotate tool, which is just here. I'm going to drag and rotate my slide section, and you'll see that it's actually under the ground here, and what I can do is lift it up so it's above ground and then slowly move my slide into position. Okay, make sure you go all around so it's perfectly straight, and there you go. And that is how you create a slide in Tinkercad. Try it and see how you get